Hi, in this video I'll share with you how to use a match and the choose function. So for example, there is this example here, right? 2. So I want to type the match and I want to look at the US from this list. Which position does it located? So it says 1 because it is here. If I change it to Canada, it gave me 2 because it's located at the second item in the list. So I can also use the choose this way. So choose 2 and comma and comma. Okay, enter. I got a false. Now if I change it to true, it give me true. If I just change it to cat, it give me cat because it doesn't care, but it just take the value whatever is located for the second item. I want to get the value. So we can use the false, true, false, true to control which value we want to include. So here is an example using some product, or I have colored it this way. So take a look at this. Okay, so first I have this list here, and here is checking B5 to B11, which one is 2020. So I just check 2020, 2020, 2020 here. Okay, you can see that these are the lists. Let me just highlight it, different color now. The next thing is that we check against times against the list of here. So it's 1 true. So there is a yes, it's 1 and it's true. So therefore it's true. So we took it true. The second item is false. So here is the false. And Europe is true. So with this message here, we can take this value, this times true, become 1. There is 1 item selected. This one, no. This one is not 2020, so this was false. So true or false times true is still false. Okay, then this one again is 1. 1 is true, so, and this is also matching the match, so that it get true. And this one, Canada, false, so it won't be listed. Same goes to here. This is false. This is also false. False is also false. This one is true, and it's Europe. Europe is true, so we get a true. So it's right there. So another way to understand this is go to the formulas bar and choose evaluate formulas and look at this clearly. So you can see it's turning into true, false, false, true, true, false, true. Because it's evaluate this list against, is it equal to 2020. Now we go into the choose match function. So let's click on that, match. So the match will now turn it into 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. So that's this matching. And then next is that for each value, it check against the given list, which is here G5, G6, G7. So evaluate it. So you get it true, false, true, false, true, true, false, false, true. So this is how you get it. So that there is this list. Now this is the earlier list about year, right? Which year is it? It is, and now the times together with this value file for true. So true, the value is true times true, that get 1. Value of true, true times true, but this was not. So this one's true. This one is not. This one is true, true. So that's what you get 3. And that is how to use some product using array input. And thanks for watching. God bless you.